Hello my friends, welcome. You find me here in the same bathroom in which I've shown you how to repair low tension spotlights. In the present video I will be showing you how to change a Schell angle valve, which you will find usually close to bigger taps or close to the toilets or feeding also the washing machine. And the advantage of these taps is that they are rather small, so they are fitting in easily in many places. But at the same moment they are rather fragile, and in reality you should be opening them and closing them just like this, something like every 6 months. Otherwise they will be in time getting attacked by the limestone, especially if you're living in a city where there's a lot of it in the city water. And in the end, when you're trying to close them, it won't work anymore. So in reality, if these taps are not closing anymore, it's not really a drama, because you can cut the whole water from the house during the intervention, for instance, if you're changing a water tap. But if you want to have everything perfect, then if it's not closing anymore, you have to change it. Now, before starting, just to alert you that there are different sizes. So have a look, maybe you can measure the diameter so that when you're going to the shop, you're buying the right size. For changing the Schell angle valve, let's go. So this here is the principal tap for my whole house. And in case you have a new house or a new flat, very important that you know where this is, so that you can close it when leaving on holidays. This is less risk for your holidays. So here, if it's aligned with the pipes, it is open. And for closing, you put it 90 degrees. This is like the gas connections. So here we're at the last floor, so there's no pressure coming on the water here. But in case you're on lower floors of the house, it may be that there's some water coming out when removing the tap. And I'm starting to open this nut, and my basic toolbox is perfectly doing the job. Then I'm removing the hide here. Which apparently had been glued. Okay, so here for opening it, I will use an Allen key. And I remind you that we have now to open anti-clockwise. Slowly but surely, the tap is progressing. So this here is our new tap. It's an original Schell. And of course making sure that it's the same diameter, which is the case. Now I'm taking a teflon ribbon . And I'm making several turns. So there was also this hide here in the box, new hide. So I'm placing the hide. And now I can put the tap back. just to find the spin. And now we're closing clockwise. And we're making a couple of turns. When it's well fixed, we're placing the hide back. So this is the joint for the connection, which seems to be still okay. And then I'm closing the nut. Always clockwise. So you see here that with the shape of this pipe, you can see that initially it went out like this, so here it doesn't matter. So now the water is back, and I'm just checking if there's no leak, nothing on the wall, nothing on the bottom. So here I can open. That's it, my friends. This is the end of the video. I hope that it will help you for yourself changing your angle tap. As I said at the beginning, it's not really necessary in case you can cut the whole water of the house. Nevertheless, it will be much easier for you to change your water taps or to repair a toilet which is leaking. And this is precisely the subject of the next video. So I hope to see you there on Happy Hour TV 1.